inch or two, and the cars pile up. That happened one year. It was called Snowpocalypse. And then the next year it's going to happen again, and I wanted to warn everyone, so I made a Facebook page that looked like the city of Atlanta. And I warned them. I said, state of emergency declared. We're expecting up to 1 inch of snow on Friday. Please stay at home and declare yourself safe on Facebook. This is a warning. And then the real city had to be like, no, that wasn't nice. False. It was freezing that whole week. And so I'm like, warning, it is dangerous and cold outside. Please stay inside. Your weak Atlanta blood is not strong enough to stay in below 30 temperatures. Then people started commenting on this post. This guy George is like, in all seriousness, homeless people downtown need a little special help for the next few days. He said the city has warming shelters set up around town, and then he gave some information on how people can help homeless people from freezing. And then Carla, she's like, this is a great idea. I don't live in Atlanta, but this idea is great. Put it out there on the Real City page. Maybe there'll be some great help. He's like, no one reads the Real City page. Speaking of rich people, this is Joel Osteen, megachurch pastor, one of the richest pastors in the world. He's known for making a lot of money and not giving a lot back. Here's his house. He preaches in front of a giant globe. And a lot of people follow him on Facebook. That's his page there. And then they put their prayer requests in. Like this guy says, I'm requesting prayer for my marriage. So I made my own Joel Osteen ministry page. Unfortunately, your Joel Osteen prayer request account has not been activated. In order to activate your account, you need to add a monthly donation of $24.99, which will give you access to 3 prayer requests. This guy Gary's like, is it true you charge $25 for prayer requests? The answer to your question is no, Gary. I did not charge $25 for prayer requests. I charge $24.99 per month. Which gives you access to 3 prayer requests. Now Joel Osteen had to say that's fake. His church said it was fake. Snopes picked it up. False. So I had to make my own Snopes page. True. I started getting messages on the Snopes page. This person says, Snopes, is this true? Please respond. It's a picture of a church sign, a fake church sign. It says, Advancement of Islamic Agenda for America. Allah be praised. America, we will kill you all, and nothing you can do to stop it. Allah be praised. I didn't want her to think that was real, so I responded, thanks for bringing this to our attention. We have researched it and found it to be false. Thank you. No problem. Have a wonderful day. Allah be praised. There's a lot of anti-vaxxers on Facebook. They believe that vaccines cause autism, so they don't want anybody to vaccinate their children. They all congregate on these Facebook groups, like this is one of them. So I decided to join the group with my fake profile, Rob Burlap. And then once they let me in as Rob Burlap, I changed Rob's name to Measles. And I started commenting on people's posts with measles. Thinking about only allowing my daughter to have a few vaccines, the ones that protect against tetanus, meningitis, and polio. Whew, that was a close one. This is on Black Friday. It's getting moved up every year. Now it's on Thanksgiving. It's crazy. Some stores don't open on Thanksgiving though. They put their foot down. They're like, we're not going to do it. Like TJ Maxx, they didn't open on Thanksgiving to give their employees a break. And then the day before, this guy Trey was like harassing them about it. He's like, boo, you should be open tomorrow. It's just another day. We'll be open for Thanksgiving, but only if your house is too. He's like, I'm reporting who made this rude TJ Maxx comment to me. We would read the report, but unfortunately we are so close. And that made Trey angry. This is the Macy's Day Parade on Thanksgiving. This year it had a kiss between two women. And now this is over on Macy's page. This is the same tray that was on the TJ Maxx page. They even say gay. It says being G.is unnatural and not okay. It's okay to be gay, and it's okay to be Trey. Love yourself. We'll all be okay. Trey, we're still close. He's like, Macy's and TJ Maxx are related? We're gay lovers. Thank you very much.